Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with a developing story. Now, at least 3 people are dead following a motor vehicle crash in Spanish Town, St. Catherine this afternoon. TVJ News understands that a 17-year-old girl and a taxi driver are among the victims. However, they are not yet identified. We were told it happened along Brunswick Avenue around 3:30 Saturday afternoon, and we will have more on this story in subsequent newscasts. The Jamaica Fire Brigade has been plunged into mourning following the death of another colleague. 19-year-old firefighter Shaheen Nelson died in a motor vehicle crash in Spanish Town, St. Catherine Friday night. It's alleged that sometime before 10, the driver of an international truck was in the process of negotiating a right turn onto the Angels Toll Plaza when its rear wheels collided with the front section of the Honda Fit being driven by Miss Nelson. Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Stuart Beckford, says the young firefighter was heading home from work when the crash occurred.
At about 10:03 p.m., the Spanish Town station received and responded to a call of motor vehicle accident at the off-ramp at the toll road at Angel. Upon their arrival, they discovered that it was one of our firefighters who was involved in the accident. Brigade has once again been plunged into mourning, coming so soon after the tragic death of firefighter Mary, who was killed in the United States. And our chaplaincy unit has been mobilized and are lending support to the family and to the team members where she worked at Stony Hill in particular.